Now today, let's take a look at Stovepipe Wells Village Hotel. It's located in the west side of Death Valley National Park. Now, let's go there. The hotel is located in the west of Death Valley and has 83 rooms. Every room should have a breathtaking views of mesquite flat sand dunes and surrounding mountain range if you are believing their homepage. At the hotel you'll also find a swimming pool, so after a long day in the desert you can cool off and take a swim. You'll also find a general store, a gas station, and also on premises they have a campground, a restaurant serving breakfast, lunch and dinner. The rooms are relatively small at the hotel but are not that pricey. We slept one night at one of the rooms, so let's take a look at that. Now, as I said, the rooms are relatively small. This is a one bedroom with a queen size bed. The view is spectacular, but even if it's very close to the road, there are no cars at night, so there's relatively quiet. You'll have a little desk, you'll have some postcard, you have a TV, and of course you'll have an air condition. Very, very useful to have that. You also have a heater because at the winter time it can get cold at the desert. You have a fan over the bed, and of course some light fixtures. The Wi-Fi is it's not existing. You can't reach Wi-Fi from every room. There's also a little fridge, but you can go to places where there are Wi-Fi at the hotel. Of course, there's a shower, there's some soap and some stuff. And there's a little nice feature in the bath because we are in the desert, so they please tell you to save the water. So there's a little timer you can use when taking a shower, so you don't use up too much water. Of course, there are towels and all the normal hotel amenities. The room nice, quiet, nice little hotel. I got a good night's sleep there. At night, outside of the rooms, there's a campfire where you can sit down and relax with all your fellow travelers and share stories about the day. Right next to the hotel, you'll find the sand trap. There's a big pile of sand in the middle of Death Valley. Remember, you can pay your fee at the Stovepipe fee station. There's located right next to the hotel, because the hotel is actually located outside the national park. That was all for this time. Happy trails!